Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to sell digital products as an affiliate. But before getting to the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And if you're interested and want to know what's my number one recommendation of make money online, I mean passive income. Yes, making money even while you sleep, while you travel, while you're on vacation, while you're just enjoying life. I'm gonna leave a link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. As I mentioned before, in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to sell digital products as an affiliate marketing as an affiliate marketer. Most important, most affiliate marketers don't know this, or they just don't do it, and that's the reason why they are not even able to make money online, or they are not making money on a consistent basis, because they are doing what I usually call a hit and miss strategy. First of all, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is when you refer someone to a product they need. Okay, so that's really important. You are not randomly sending your affiliate link to a person and see what happens. No, you are referring someone that you know that this person have a problem, an issue, a situation that they want to solve, and you identify that that product it's gonna help them. Okay, it's gonna help to solve the problem, the issue. Okay, or it's gonna give them the knowledge that they need so they can start solving the situation. So really important is that you're gonna refer someone to a product that they actually need. Okay, where are you gonna find affiliate products? There are affiliate products marketplace, like Clickbank, JVSU, Weber Plus, CJ, right? Are there other private programs? The ones that I suggest you, it's Legendary Marketer. This is online education. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave a link below. And Builderall, because this is a membership-based program that we actually need if you really want to make money online. It doesn't matter if you're selling your own products or services, or if you are, dual affiliate marketing. Actually, you need Builderall. It's an all-in-one marketing solution. So these are the things that I suggest you. I'm not gonna go like in depth of how you can find the perfect product. If you're interested, I have a free course below, a free course that I create in which I'm giving people an in-depth training of how they can actually find products, create funnels, and all that stuff in affiliate marketing. So if you want to check it out, it's gonna be in the description as well. But this is going to be like an overview. So if you want to find a product, remember to take into consideration that whatever product or products is you are going to be promoting, they need to solve a problem. Okay, they need to solve a problem. How to do affiliate marketing the right way? Remember that at the beginning of the video I mentioned the fact that people were doing what I call the hit and miss strategy. It's because first of all, most people are just sharing the links just because. Okay, they're spamming their links everywhere in all the social networks and all the websites, right? And that's not the most appropriate way to do it. Okay, you don't have any kind of relationship with the person. You are not sure if the person is really interested in what you have to offer. It's not gonna be helpful. Maybe it's gonna be helpful, and you know it's gonna be helpful, but they don't understand how this product is gonna help them. Okay, or maybe you are doing paying ads. Let's say that you're posting ads on Google, Facebook, solo ads, you name it, and you are just direct linking these people to the landing page, okay, to the product page. And again, it's going to be exactly the same. People don't know you. People might not understand how the product is going to benefit them, right? And at the end of the day, yeah, you're going to get sales, but a lower percentage, or you're going to end up losing money. Okay, how to do it the right way? First of all, we need traffic. It doesn't matter which traffic sources you want to go with. It doesn't matter if you're doing free traffic, paid traffic, we need traffic. Okay, remember that paid traffic it's instantly, free traffic it's a long-term game. Okay, but again, it doesn't matter what you're doing, you need to capture a page. You need to have a capture page. You need to capture their information. My favorite software, as I mentioned before, it's a Builder. I capture people's email or create my landing page and my insurance funnels with Builder. You need to collect at least their email address. My suggestion is to collect the name and emails. I know a lot of people are saying like, well, if you just collect the emails, you're gonna have more opt-ins, but I prefer to personalize my emails. Okay, that's the way I do it, and that's the reason why I recommend it, because people tend to open their emails more. At the end, they're not, well, you have less possibilities to have your email land on the promotional tab if the customer has Gmail, right? So you need to create your own custom sales funnel. Again, it's not rocket science. Okay, it's not rocket science. Basically what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be providing value, and you're going to be pitching. Okay, it's pretty annoying when you subscribe to someone's email list, and every single time you're opening an email, the people is talking about a different product, a different service. They're always trying to do a sell. Why? Again, because you need to warm this traffic. Okay, you need to create a relationship with them. When they know you, they like you, and they trust you, they are gonna do the process, and they are gonna do they're gonna, they're gonna do the purchase. How are you going to create your custom sales funnels? Do not overthink. This is pretty simple. Again, the tool that I use is Builder. If you want to give it a try, I'm going to leave a link below so you can test it out for 7 days, and you can check out the bonuses that I promote as well. Do not overcomplicate things. Okay, just put a title, put a video, and put a button with a call to action. Okay, a catchy title, right? By the way, just in case that you don't know and you're not a copywriter, because I'm pretty sure that if you're here, it's because you're getting started, or you're not getting started but you're not getting the results that you want. Builder has a script generator, so you just need to answer a couple of questions, fill them out. With one click, you're gonna have the script, so you're gonna have titles that you can use. The video, do not overcomplicate things. Create your own video. If you don't have a fancy webcam, don't worry, use your cell phone. Most cell phones nowadays, they record in 4K. Okay, so make sure that you lock yourself in a quiet room, or try to make it at night, so you're gonna have a high quality video. It needs to be of yourself, okay, because you are the one who's gonna be creating the relationship. Always introduce yourself. Hello, my name is, in this video I'm gonna teach you this, or congratulations because you joined this. If you're serious about this, this is a product that I suggest you to go with. Okay, keep it simple. Do not make a Hollywood production, and a button with a call to action. Okay, people need to understand what they need to do next. Okay, so keep it just simple as that. Most people, as I told you, they are not doing this strategy. What they're doing is they are sending traffic directly to the page or to the link, which is totally inappropriate. Okay, you're gonna be losing so much money. If you are thinking about, hey Diana, but email marketing is that, no, it's not. It's not. If you think about yourself, hey, where do you receive your phone bills? Where do you receive your cable TV bills? Okay, where do you receive the Netflix notifications? Everything is via email, because they know that you're there. They know that you know that if this is something important, it's going to land on your email address. Well, this is it for this video. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.